Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you have error on your iPhone, enable to verify app. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it you just need to know something. So first thing you need to try, just go to the general, just open the general, the settings, and just find here general. In the general you need to find reset. Just open reset and just try to reset network settings. So just submit it. If you still have this error after you do it, you just need to try erase all content and settings, but you need to know that all info from your phone will be deleted, and also the settings, so you need to know it. And also the latest way you can try, just go back to the general, and here you will find software update. So just open this option and just wait until it will checking for update, and just show to you if you have available updates here. So here you can see that you already have available updates, so you just need to tap on download and install, and now just wait until it will successfully download and install the latest software on your phone if you have available updates. So just try to fix it like this. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.